Namo Namah Chhatraha. Suprabhatam. Student, in the last video, we have started 8.2, lesson number 8.2. Kutra Asti. Kutra Asti, Kutra means where, and Asti is, where is. And we have done 8.2.1. Do you remember? Now, today, we will start 8.2.2. Let's see. Student, 8.2.2, Kutra Asti. Now, do you remember when we using Kutra in Sanskrit? That time we get answer in Saptami Vibhakti. And we saw two Kruti. First one, Akaranta, Pullinga, Nama. And second one, Kruti, there is all forms in Napusakalinga, right? And this form convert to where? Saptami Vibhakti. Now, we will start 8.2. Now see, in the first picture, Mautikani Kutra. Now, Mautikani means pearls. Kutra, where? Where are the pearls? Mautikani Malayam. Now see, Mautikani pearls are Malayam. Now Mala is the original word and Malayam is a Saptami Ekavachanam. Now see, listen again. We use Kutra, interrogative, and we get answer in Saptami Vibhakti. Malayam. So, pearls are in the mala. Okay, mala, necklace, garland. Okay, so next one, lekhani kutra. Now, lekhani means pen. Kutra, where? Where is the pen? Lekhani, petikaya. The pen is in the box. Petika, box. Now, original word is petika. And petikaya is Saptami Ekvachana form. Next, nauka kutra vahati. Nauka means boat. Kutra, where? And vahati means sailing. Where is the boat sailing? Nauka nadyam vahati. The boat is sailing on the river. Now again, nadyam. Nadi is the original form, original word, and nadyam is the Saptami Ekavachana form. Jalam asti. Now jalam means water. Kutra, where? Asti is. Where is water? Jalam dronyam asti. Now see, dronyam means bucket. Jalam, water, is in the bucket. Now dronyam, droni is the original word and dronyam is a Saptami Ekavachana form. Now see student here, mala, akaranta, petika. Again akaranta word. Nadi, Ikaranta, and Droni also Ikaranto. So, Akaranta and Ikaranta, Saptami Vibhakti form. See carefully, Mala, Akaranta, Malayam, Petika, Akaranta, Petikayam. Both are same, Malayam, Petikayam. Now here, Nauka Nadyam Vahati, Saptami Ekvachan form, and Jalam Dronyam Asti, again Saptami Ekvachana form. These both are Ikaranta words. Now see, there are Kruti. शिक्षकः शब्दं वदति, छात्राः शब्दरूपं वदति. यथा शाटिका, शाटिकायाम. Now see again, shatika and shatikayam. Again, shatika, karanta word, and shatikayam saptami, ekavachana form. They are given example. Now mapika, answer, saptami bhakti form, mapikayam. Nasika, nasikayam. Nalika, nalikayam. पाठशाला, पाठशालायां, मार्गिका, मार्गिकायां, मंजुषा, मंजुषायां, शर्करा, शर्करायां, वाटिका, वाटिकायां, dola, dolayam. Now see here, all words end with a, means akaranta strilinga words here, right? So all these words end with yam, mapikayam, nasikayam, nalikayam, pathashalayam, margikayam, manjushayam, manjushayam, sharkarayam, vatikayam, and last one dolayam, because all words end with akaranta. But in the next kruti, there all words is ikaranta. Let's see. Nadi, nadyam, ikaranta. Kartari, ikaranta. Marjani, ikaranta. Lekhani, punapurani, ghati, kupi. All these words ikaranta. So these all ikaranta decline like nadi. Nadi, nadyam. Kartari, kartaryam. Kartari, kartaryam. Marjani, marjanyam. Lekhani, lekhanyam. Punah purani, punah puranyam. Ghati, ghatyam. And kupi, kupyam. Now see, all ikaranta words end with yam, right? So yam, which kartaryam, marjanyam, lekhanyam, punapuranyam, ghatyam, and kupyam. Now again, both kruti, write down in your notebook. In the left side, write down all prathama vibhakti form, and right side, write down all saptami vibhakti form. And these both kruti, akaranta strilinga forms, and second, karanta strilinga forms. First kruti, akaranta strilinga forms, mapika, nasika, and second kruti, ikaranta strilinga form. Both are strilinga, but akaranta and ikaranta. Now let's start भाषाभ्यासः. अर्थपूर्णानि वाक्यानि रचयत. Make meaningful sentence with the words. Now there, see, in the first column or first parvata, dugdha, lekhani, vatika, pustaka. The second column, mandiram, sharkara, masi, dola, gitam. And the last column, asti or nasti. Asti means is, nasti means no, not. So make their meaningful sentence. Parvatah mandiram asti. Now parvata, these first column, all words change to saptami vibhakti. So parvata in saptami vibhakti, parvate, correct. So parvate mandiram asti. Parvate mandiram asti. The meaningful sentence? Yes. Next. Dugdhe sharkara asti or nasti. What you want, you write down. Asti or nasti. Okay. Parvatah, parvate mandiram asti or nasti. Dugdhe sharkara asti or nasti. Write down any one sentence, student. Don't write both sentences. Lekhani masi asti or nasti. Now lekhani karanta. In saptami vibhakti, lekhanyam. Lekhanyam masi asti or nasti. Vatika dola अस्ति. Again Vatika, Akaranta, like Shatika, Mala, Mala, Malayam, Vatika, Vatikayam, Vatikayam, Dola, अस्ति or नास्ति. पुस्तक, गीतम, अस्ति, नास्ति. Again, पुस्तक अकारांत word. अकारांत in सप्तमी विभक्ति. पुस्तके, पुस्तके, गीतम, अस्ति or नास्ति. Now listen carefully. I repeat. Asti and nasti. Both are verb kriya pada. So use only one kriya pada. Asti or nasti. And make sentence. The first column, they are again all karanta, ikaranta word and akaranta word. But these all words in prathama vibhakti. So you change to saptami vibhakti. Parvata, parvate, dugdha, dugdhe, लेखनी, लेखन्याम, वाटिका, वाटिकायाम, पुस्तक, पुस्तके. And mandiram, sharkara, masi, dola, geetam, as it is write down, and any one kriya pada used there. Asti or nasti. So you can write parvata, parvate, mandiram, asti, or parvate, mandiram, nasti. Clear, student? Next question. Jalam kutra asti iti likhata. Where is water? Answer, write down. Jalam, kupi. Now see, kupi is the original word. Karanta. Kupi in saptami vibhakti, kupyam. Jalam, kupyam, asti. Jalam, kutra asti. Now here, the kutra, in that place, you write down Kupi, Kalasha, Nadi, Samudra, Ganga, Sarovaram. These forms in Saptami Vibhakti. You used this form in Saptami Vibhakti. This word in Saptami Vibhakti. Kupi, Ikaranta. Right? So Kupi in Saptami Vibhakti, Kupyam. So answer will come Jalam, Kupyam Asti. Next, Jalam, Kalasha. Now Kalasha, Akaranta word. So in Saptami Vibhakti, Kalashe, Jalam, Kalashe asti. Remember, we saw already when we using kutta in Sanskrit, that time we get answer in Saptami Vibhakti. So these all forms in Prathama Vibhakti, you convert in to Saptami Vibhakti. So Kalasha, answer Saptami Vibhakti, Kalashe, Jalam, Kalashe asti. Next, Jalam, Nadi. So Nadi in Saptami Vibhakti, Nadyam, Jalam, Nadyam asti. Next, Jalam, Samudra in Saptami Vibhakti, Samudre, correct. So answer, Jalam, Samudre asti. Jalam, Ganga asti. Now Ganga in Saptami Vibhakti, Ganga, Akaranta word, Gangayam, like Malayam. So Jalam, Gangayam asti. Next, Jalam, Sarovaram. Now Sarovaram is a Napusakalinga form. So Sarovaram in Saptami Vibhakti, Sarovare. So answer, Jalam, Sarovare asti. Listen, Kupi, Karanta, Kupyam, Saptami Vibhakti form. Kalashah, Karanta, Kalashe in Saptami Vibhakti. Nadi, again, Ikaranta. Answer, Nadyam, Saptami Vibhakti, Nadyam. Samudraha, again, Akaranta word, Samudre in Saptami Vibhakti. Ganga, Akaranta, Gangayam in Saptami Vibhakti. And Sarovaram, Napusakalinga form, but in Sanskrit, Saptami Vibhakti, Pullinga and Napusakalinga, both Saptami are same. So Sarovare, answer is Sarovare. Now student, first question अर्थपूर्णानि वाक्यानि रचयत and second question जलं कुत्र अस्ति इति लिखत. These two questions with answer write down in your notebook. Here what I told, make any one sentence, asti or nasti. You can use only one, asti verb or nasti verb. Okay, and here write down how many sentences? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sentences. And all these forms in convert to Saptami Vibhakti. Okay, so these Bhashabhyasah write down in your notebook. Here our Putra Asti 8.2, lesson number 8.2 have completed. Thank you.